Okay, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white that you can see there is the reflection of the lights. I'll just move this big bit, it's hiding the other pieces. Anyway, gives you an idea of what you're looking at. There's a natural crack through here. Whether it's sealed itself back together or not, it's a bit hard to tell. I'm not going to try to force it. Different patterns on both sides by the looks a little bit. Should cut a big stone though. Other pieces. Don't forget, if you want to stop the video at any time, you can. Electric greens. Pinks on the side there. Bit of a hollow here. It's fairly thick, so might not worry it. Greens there. A bar running down. Sparkles of red through here. Bar there showing. Don't put it in jars and show it like that, because the jars magnify the size of all the pieces, and I don't think that's fair. This small piece has got nice colour in it there. It's coming up and showing you there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.